Another new application that we've been developing at HP Latex is window blinds or sunshades, roll-down drapes, shades. We find that we are printing beautifully on them. We have excellent pigment durability for light fastness. The colors are exceptional. And we can print on a wide variety of sunshades. You know, these are your roll-down shades, but they come in many different kinds. Some are a full blackout, and some allow a certain degree of light to shine through. Two of the biggest names that we've been working with, and I've been printing this both on the 3000 series as well as the 500 series and the 300 series, is Junkers and Müllers, which is the Opera. This is the 119. This printed absolutely gorgeous. Now this is, to a certain extent, has some porousness. So I put the ink collectors in. The additional ink that goes through goes on the ink collectors. We're treating it a lot like a fabric. And this is an excellent choice to put into a window shade. Then you have more of a solid, and this is called the Sunmate. This is from Versailles, and it's the Sun Protect Sunmate. This is absolutely gorgeous. It printed fabulous for me on a 560. We run this on the 3000, and this is more of a true blockout. You know, you pull this down and it blocks everything out. There's many different types of window blinds, window shades, and we're exploring this market very vigorously. It's an excellent match for latex. We believe that these choices will certainly change this industry, and being able to print directly with such rich colors with good light fastness on window blinds and do it all custom, all digital, is going to be an entirely new market for latex, and I strongly encourage people to take a close look at it. Again, doing window blinds, window shades, window drapes, basically digital decor market, but focusing on pull-down windows.